Of late, if we have seen Mr. Mohan Bhagwat making statements, about Modi and the way he has conducted himself during the Lok Sabha elections, so all doesn't seem to be well within between RSS and Modi. So, do you think that this is all a charade? This is just a pretense?
All just a charade. The RSS and BJP are one and the same. See, you must understand, all the top leaders of BJP are those who have 20, 25, 30 years in RSS, who have spent so long periods in RSS. Only those people can rise high in the BJP, those who have spent long periods in the RSS. So BJP is controlled by RSS. For example, they sent this Ram Madhav. He was an RSS man. Now he has been sent as BJP General Secretary. So the BJP and the RSS sends out their men to control the BJP.
No, but Justice Kachu, a lot of things are changing. But this change is not felt too much because it is happening beneath many, many layers. Now, say, for example, the corporates. Look at the Hindenburg report which came out, and constantly, they are trying to hint at the fact that, the SEBI as an institution has collapsed. Adani has been indulging in malpractices. Many say that now there is a corporate war between Adani and several other corporate groups who want their own lobby within the SEBI. Do you think that now the corporates have made up their mind to remove Modi from PM's chair? Do you feel that, do you sense these kind of feelers?
Listen, you must understand one thing. ये जो बिजनेसमैन होते हैं ना, बिग बिजनेसमैन, ये किसी के नहीं होते हैं, ये अपने होते हैं. ये समझना, मोदी जी समझे थे कि अंबानी और अडानी मेरे जेब में हैं. He was mistaken. they put their eggs in several baskets. ये इनको भी पैसा देते हैं, मोदी को, और कांग्रेस को भी पैसा देते हैं, ताकि कल अगर मानिए सपोजिंग राहुल गांधी फॉर्म्स अ गवर्नमेंट, तो उनको भी खुश कर दिया, पैसा दिया. तो ये बिजनेसमैन किसी के नहीं होते हैं, ये अपने होते हैं. ये सब तरफ ही
Right. So you are saying that the businessmen will try putting all eggs in different baskets. But what is your assessment about Rahul Gandhi? The kind of statements which he has been making, and do you think that he's evolving as a leader who can really give a tough fight to Modi now, and Modi doesn't stand anywhere?
देखिए, न राहुल के खोपड़े में कुछ है, न मोदी के खोपड़े में कुछ है. Both are rank idiots. मोदी का प्रूफ है that he's an idiot कि कहता है कि वो क्या एंशिएंट इंडिया में हम लोग को हेड सर्जरी आती थी, गणेश जी का सर.
You're not scared. You're calling Rahul and Narendra Modi both idiots. You never fear of using such words that Prime Minister Modi is an idiot?
अरे भैया, मैंने आपको पिछले बार बता दिया, मैंने रहीम का दोहा सुना दिया. चाह गई चिंता मिटी मनुआ बेपरवाह, जाको कछु न चाहिए शाहन के वो शाह. ये रहीम का दोहा है. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए अब मैं 78 का हो रहा है. अब 2-3 साल में आई एम ऑन द डिपार्चर लाउंज ऑफ द इन द एयरपोर्ट, एंड माय फ्लाइट टू द अदर वर्ल्ड में टेक ऑफ विद इन अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स. सो अब मुझे क्या, व्हाट हैव आई टू लूज नाउ? आई हैव लिव्ड माय लाइफ. अब मुझे किस बात का डर है? जाको कछु न चाहिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए भाई. मुझे जो मिलना था मिल गया. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जज हो गया. गॉड हैज बीन काइंड टू मी. अब क्या करें?
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.